Good morning. It is Sunday, May, don't tell me, 19th. Reasons why we absolutely hate Carnival, episode 7000. Hey, Diane. And we have some bread. I'm wearing the same shirt as I wore yesterday because it's so soft and I love it very much. I have been sitting out on the balcony. I had some coffee. Dad brought me some coffee. I've been awake probably since 7. We're gonna go to brunch. They have a sea day brunch today. We're just in the sea. It's not very sunny right now. It's very cloudy, but it's still pretty. I'll show you a bit of the balcony very quickly. Great view.
Yeah.
We got fruits without cottage cheese because ew. And then he got fruit with cottage cheese. Ew. Ethan got like his matchmake in heaven. Look at that. Fruit Loops and French toast. Dad went to go to this little event thing that they were having and he's gone, so I guess we'll eat his food. Mom got grits and eggs and bacon, and I got gluten-free and dairy-free pancakes with blueberries and hash browns and apple juice and orange juice and coffee and yum. What's going on?
Ryan just put this in his wall. That's disgusting.
Watch.
They are not impressed. Look at that. Trying out Guy Fieri's Pig and Anchor. Hopefully it'll be good. We're crossing our fingers. Just informed that I needed to bring out the vlog and include you guys in our conversations at the lunch table. We are bashing pretty much everything that they do. Now, if Carnival is watching this, we would love a second chance. We might like a second chance. Oh, actually, third chance.
We might
give
you a second chance to redeem yourself.
If you are so inclined. If you want to make us like you, send us on another cruise. Maybe we'll give some good reviews because right now you're not doing so hot.
This is a Carnival catastrophe.
Catastrophe. Lemon meringue cake. Lemon meringue cake. Okay, Mom? Are you ready?
This is how you get the lemon.
Okay, so no, we need to explain, Mom. What's wrong with the cake?
It doesn't taste like lemon.
There's no lemon.
There's no lemon flavor in it.
We realize this is probably an interactive experience, and to get your lemon cake, here are the steps that you need to follow.
You have a bite of cake.
A bite of, supposed to be lemon cake.
Then you drink lemonade behind it.
You bite, you sip, and you have lemon cake. If you thought that by ordering lemon cake you would get lemon cake, you are wrong, because it is an interactive experience. You must do half the work yourself. They'll give you the cake, so that you have to find the lemon yourself. 9 years ago, the strawberry frozen yogurt was my absolute favorite thing ever. I ate it for breakfast. It was
really 9 years
wonderful.
ago?
Yeah, it was 9 years ago. 2010. This is our very first cruise. Oh, it smells good. No, stop. Oh, Michael's not here to do it, so I guess you have to. Anyway, we're done with these chronicles for now. It will resume later, I am sure. I feel like we're on the Titanic, actually. I love this song. Oh, I'm in love with Chick-fil-A. Oh, I'm in love with Chick-fil-A. I don't care. And that's the tea, sis. I got this little soy parfait thingy. I don't know what it is. So gross. I got strawberries. These are actually really good. And then they got little baby sandwiches and
Cucumber sandwiches. Here we have our dinner service on formal night on the carnival, and we have our nap placement.
Nap placement? Dad, I think you're a little tired.
By our wait staff.
The things we have to do for ourselves when we slum it.
Hashtag carnival catastrophe.
Sicilian meatball soup. It looks good. Got fried oysters. Mom got
Maybe spinach salad.
okay, and Ethan got shrimp cocktail. I got striped sea bass. They have nothing yet.
Expected the bass to be actually striped.
And newsflash, I still don't have bread. So good night.
Carnival catastrophe.
Opa! He doesn't look happy at all. It's a no from you? Soy creme brulee and something else. Blueberry cobbler of sorts. I can't tell you how disgusting that soy creme brulee was. That soy custard is the same custard that they use in that parfait that I had at tea. Disgusting. I really can't believe that they served it to me 3 or 4 times. It was awful. I turned the entire plate upside down. Nothing moved. So disgusting. Carnival, what are you doing? It's 8:06 and we had supper. We took a few pictures and now we're here to watch the show and it's Motown. Yeah, I'm ready for bed.
In the name of the rock, before you break the rock. Yes, boys, what can make me feel this way? Around those pretty faces all the same. That got something back.
8:59.
8:59 as we have heard from 3 people. Ready to charge this?
They ruined
And-
creme brulee. I'm
Oh.
jumping overboard.
We're gonna be waking up in the Dominican Republic tomorrow.
We get off the ship tomorrow.
Yay, we get to leave this ship and the food. Woo!
Normally we look forward to having sea days. And being
Usually
on
sea
the
days
ship.
are the best.
But this cruise, we're looking forward to getting off the ship.
If you don't drink and if you don't gamble and want to spend money on extra food, like sushi and blah blah blah, there's nothing to do. Hey, we're making our own fun here. Good night. See you tomorrow morning in the Dominican Republic. Good night. Say bye, fam.
Bye, fam.
Bye. Good morning. We are in the Dominican Republic. What time is
It's about 7:40.
it? Yeah, we haven't docked yet, but we are close. We see land, so that's cool. Daddy got me coffee, so he's the best. There's the Dominican Republic. But we're currently in Amber Cove of the Dominican Republic. We have no clue what there is to do here.
Apparently shopping.
Apparently there's a lot of shopping. Are you surprised by a cruise ship port? No. It's owned by cruise lines. We don't know if it's just Carnival. So it's very, we're not sure. What does that say?
Pilot.
Piloto.
Pilot
Oh, they speak Spanish. I forgot.
on board and pilot us into the dock.
And we get to watch it all happen. We're not exactly sure what there is to do here. We know that they're shopping, we know that they're swimming, and we know there's a zip line, but you have to pay for the zip line. We do know that there is a coffee shop. We're gonna go find some coffee other than this.
And we have heard that the Dominican Republic has good vanilla and cocoa.
Their vanilla tastes like it has cinnamon in it. like, it's just so good.
Haven't been that impressed with carnival food. Some of it's just downright inedible.
Like that creme brulee they served me multiple times. But we were talking at the table beside us last night, and we have both been on a carnival cruise before. She definitely agrees that this food is not good. It used to be, and that they've had a lot of issues, so they've had to pay for a lot of lawsuits and stuff. They've had to cut costs on food. Now carnival, we understand that, but we're not okay with it. We're having a nice learning experience. We waited forever and a day for our food. The line is insane. I got some cereal, Frosted Flakes, Lucky Charms, soy milk, this not good gluten-free bread, potatoes, sausage, beans, and coffee, and yeah. We just got off the ship, and now we are currently in Amber Cove. Banana. You got enough protection there? Nice, Mom. A coffee shop called El Caballo, and I'm really sad because they don't have decaf coffee, so I have a banana smoothie. It's kind of like banana milk, watery stuff. So Dad got an Americano. They got frappes. He's not gonna pick up.
He is gonna be hating life. He's just a cover you.
Yeah. One o'clock. And we've been shopping and walking around. We went to the coffee shop, and I'm having to yell because it's really, really loud. We're now at the pool, and this really nice couple let us use their umbrella. Ethan's at the coffee shop on the phone with Cassidy, and we're just kind of gonna try to find something away from all the drunk people, because there's a swim up to bar at this pool, and apparently it's gotten a little crazy. It's so hot, it's so humid, it's so sticky. Got a nice bar situation, and it's getting a little loud. Hello, Dad.
Hello.
It is 6:02. Supper starts 2 minutes ago. I'm wearing this maxi dress. I've got some sun from today. We're taking bets that I'm not getting bread tonight either.
I think so.
What do you think? Am I getting bread tonight or am I not? But we'll let you know. It took 3 days. We got it. And it doesn't look that exciting. Ew, it's like all mushy. Yeah. It's not toasted, it's just squishy. Ew. Prosciutto and melon, peach soup. What did you get? What is that?
Mango, yeah. It's Dominican Republic dish.
No, yum. Yum.
Egg. Egg for me.
fried chicken.
Yeah.
And Mom got salmon cakes.
But I think I
Wherever they are. Woo! Woo! He's back. Woohoo! My roasted pineapple. Gave me sherbet that I can't have. They tried to kill me. Okay? Carnival Cruise Line tried to kill me. Okay? They gave me sherbet and I can't have that.
But I can't.
So, now what? I also asked Dad how you go about suing someone, but he said that I'd have to be deathly sick. So, that's not an option. I don't know what my options were.
It's called move on.
Sitting in a hot theater, waiting for a country music show they're doing tonight. And Charlie Daniels is playing on the radio right now. Here comes Alabama.
People are clapping. Aww. We have quite the seats, Quite the view of a pole. No, what'd you say?
This is horrible.
Honestly, such a disgrace to country music. I'm from the South and I don't even love country music, and that was bad.
Do you agree? Whoa. It's a no from me. So,
sure hate I missed all your comments.
stay right there. Okay. It is currently 9:40. You couldn't see that. We had supper. We went to the show. It was awful. Disgrace. We walked out into the atrium and they were having a nice friendly competition, huh, Dad?
Yeah.
They were having a men's and women's booty shaking contest. Yeah. Went and got some candy from the candy store. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be in St. Thomas, which is part of the U.S. Virgin Islands. We've been there twice before. I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Bye.